Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, I am going to explain some problems on moment of force and equivalent force system. Here we have fourth problem. Determine the value of alpha for which the combined moment of two forces about O is 405 Newton meter, that is anti-clockwise. So they given already the moment is MO, that is about O is minus 405 Newton meter. That is minus because they given the bracket, that is anti-clockwise. So we have to find moment about O, then we have to substitute it as minus 405 Newton meter, then we will get the value of alpha. For that, first I have to resolve this force in horizontal and vertical direction. So I will take this point as O. At 700 mm distance we have our first force, that is 300 Newton. So if I resolve that force in horizontal direction, so the angle alpha is given with respect to horizontal, therefore 300 cos alpha is the horizontal component, vertical component is 300 sin alpha. So then we have one more force, so that is 600. There is no vertical component for 600 because it is acting exactly horizontal. The distance to the 600 Newton force from O is 500 mm. They given in the question. So total three forces here about O, because I resolved that 300 into two components. Now I have to calculate moment about O. So if I take MO is equal to, so first component, that is 300 cos alpha, so perpendicular distance, so from O. So if I see that 300 cos alpha, so if I shift that force in the line of action of force, it is passing through O. Therefore there is no perpendicular distance from O. So if I shift that force in the line of action of force, that is 300 cos alpha, this is passing through O. Therefore there is no perpendicular distance from O, therefore that is 0. So if I consider one more force, that is 300 sin alpha. Sin alpha, the perpendicular distance from O, that is this distance. So from here to here, that is the perpendicular distance. That distance is 700. So now the question is whether it is going to rotate this point O, whether in clockwise or anti-clockwise. So if I take this as center, so if I apply this force like this, if I am trying to draw one circle, that is going to rotate this point in anti-clockwise direction. Therefore this value is minus. So last force, that is 600 Newton. If I apply this 600 Newton force, it is going to rotate this point in anti-clockwise direction. Therefore this is minus. Therefore this entire value is equal to minus 405 Newton meter. So what I will do is that MO, I will convert that into Newton millimeter, that is minus 405 10 to the power 3 Newton millimeter. So I will substitute, because all the values are in millimeter, so I will substitute here now, that is equal to minus 405 into 10 to the power 3. So this term will become 0 if I multiply with minus 0. Therefore remaining is minus 300 sin alpha into 700 minus 600 into 500 is equal to minus 405 into 10 to the power 3. So if I multiply with minus, so entire thing will become plus 300 sin alpha into 700 is equal to 405 into 10 to the power 3 minus 600 into 500. So I want sine alpha, that is equal to 405 10 to the power 3 600 into 500 divided by 300 into 700. Therefore alpha we will get 30 degree. So in this question they directly given moment about O is 405 Newton meter in anti-clockwise direction. For that we resolve the forces, then we calculated moment about O, then we substituted it as minus 405 into 10 to the power 3, that is Newton millimeter, then we got the value of alpha. So after completing problems on moment of force, I am going to discuss some problems related to couple and equivalent force system. So here we have our first problem. Replace the horizontal 600 Newton force acting at a lever by an equivalent system consisting of a force and couple at point O. So the problem is very simple. So we discussed what is equivalent force system. You can check that video in the description. So if I am going to shift any force from one point to another point, I have to introduce one couple to balance that system. So in this case they given you have to shift the force, that is 600 Newton, to a new point, that is O, with one couple. So work is very simple. So I will draw that lever again. So I have to shift that 600 Newton force here, 600 Newton. So what I have to do is, if I am shifting that force, I have to calculate this moment, whatever 600 Newton force was acting, this moment I have to calculate. If I apply this 600 Newton about this point, just have to calculate this moment. So for that, to calculate that moment, so what is the direction? Just this is the force, this is the distance. If I apply that force, this anti-clockwise will be the moment. So I know the direction. Now what is the value? So moment is equal to force into distance. So we know that force is 600 Newton, the distance is perpendicular distance, so that will be this one, d. To calculate that d, I can use that length and angle. So I want to calculate opposite, so I can use sine 60 is equal to, opposite is d, hypotenuse is 0.6, therefore d is equal to 0.6 into sine 60, therefore d is equal to 0.519 meter. Therefore this moment value is equal to 600 into 0.519. So the final figure will be 600 Newton, that is O, this is the lever. So this moment value 600 into will be 311.769 Newton meter. So concept is very simple. If I am shifting any force from one point to another point, I have to calculate moment about that point. That's it. Here we have our next problem. The problem is like this. Replace the 50 kilonewton force acting on a column with eccentricity of 100 mm by a force couple system at O. So usually the column, that is vertical member of the building, so it will be actually loaded. So if I see this column, this is the width of the column, it should act, if I take this as B, it should act at the B by 2. But in this case what happened is, instead of acting at the center, it is acting at some eccentricity. That value they given, that is 100 mm. So I have to shift this force into the center or CG of the column, center of gravity of the column. So if I shift that force into the new position, so we discussed in previous concept or previous problems, I have to apply one couple. So what I will do is, first I will shift that force into the new position, that is O, that is 50 kilonewton. Now I have to introduce one couple. So we discussed, if I am introducing one couple, that is nothing but moment about new point. So moment about new point, if I take this force, if I am calculating moment about O, this will be like this. So that value is nothing but moment of that force. So that is 50 into, that is 100. If I convert that into meter, 100 divided by 1000, that will be 5 kilonewton meter. So very simple, if I shift any force to the new position, I have to calculate moment of that force about new point. Here we have our third problem. The question is like this: replace the force acting at point A into a system of force and couple at point O. So in previous two problems we discussed, if I am shifting any force to the new positions, I have to calculate the moment of all the forces about that point. So I will do that one now. So I have to shift that force to the new point, that is O, 40 kilonewton and 30 degrees. So only thing I have to calculate is MO. So to calculate MO, what I will do is, I will resolve this force in horizontal and vertical direction. If I resolve in horizontal direction, 40 cos 30, in vertical direction, that is 40 sin 30. So if I am calculating moment about O, therefore MO is equal to 40 cos 30. I can shift that force in the line of action of force along this direction. If I apply that force about O, it is going to rotate in clockwise direction. Therefore plus 40 cos 30 into perpendicular distance, that is this one, 4 meter. Then we have our one more force, that is 40 sin 30. So if I shift that force, I can shift till here, same force. So the perpendicular distance will be 3 meter. If I apply that force, it is going to rotate again in clockwise direction. This is the center, this will be the radius. So if I apply, it is going to rotate in clockwise. Therefore plus 40 sin 30 into distance, that is perpendicular distance 3 meter. So if I do the calculation, therefore I will get moment MO is equal to 198.56 kilonewton. In the final diagram, I have to, that is clockwise, therefore about O, it is clockwise 198.56 kilonewton meter. This will be the final figure of the problem.